Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. I'm Taufik Bermudez. Short and long hot, hate, but, bait, luck, lake, sat, sate, tack, take, gab, gabe, ban, bane, tap, tape, raz, race, cup, cape, done, dane, fat, fate, sack, sake, pad, paid, run, rain, pan, pain, con, cane, Jane, John, Jane, man, mean, ball, bail, make, lake, fake, take, cake, bake, sake, make, rake, wake, lake, name, same, tame, game, fame, game, wage, cage, sage, pale, male, tail, sail, whale, date, mate, rate, hate, late, pain, lane, cane, Jane, pain, case, vase, mace, face, pace. Goodbye, classmates. Goodbye, teacher.